Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch ghost mode on Instagram. It will be really simple and easy. For this, of course, you have to open the Instagram application in your mobile and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap on the profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on these three bars in the top right corner here. Now, when you are here, you have to scroll down until you see these options here, how other can interact with you. You have to tap on this messages and story replies. So here you can see who can see your online category. So tap on this show activity status. Now just toggle off this option, and as you toggle off this option, other people will not know when you are active at a particular time. So in this way you will be able to switch on ghost mode on Instagram. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to switch on ghost mode on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.